This thought pretty much made me cry. That little kitty cat. That cat likes to follow me around and sleep near me or sit near me and just watch me. I love that cat. I like all animals. I like dogs. Every animal I look at, I'm like trying to understand the animal, like. But that's all an animal is capable of doing, is trying to understand us. They don't love us. I don't think animals are capable of love. They are instinctual, put here for God's reasons. And the only reason why we think that we see that animals love us is because they are depending on us. They are dependent on us. They depend on us for everything. Have you noticed your animals are always staring at you? When they're laying down or just trying to figure you out. They don't love you. They depend on you. Animals weren't here to have the same type of human feelings and understandings. I love to love them though. They're so cute. But unless I'm proven wrong, what I've learned throughout this trip and pathway to God, animals don't think like us. They don't love us. They depend on us. And that compares to relationships. You have a relationship with a person that depends on you, there's no love in that relationship. You are in love with an animal side of who that person is. Tell me I'm wrong. Because I'm not. Love has freedom in it. It's cool that we love animals though. I love it. They're so cute.